Hi guys, so what we have here is one of our large kits, and I just want to take a couple of minutes just to let you know what you should expect to receive in here when you order. So first off, you will receive 600 mils of our Moto grease. This is a fantastic product. So this is essentially a thicker version of our Moto spray. It's fantastic for those areas such as nuts, bolts, welded seams, sharp edges, any areas that are highly vulnerable to rust. You're going to warm that up, make it nice and thin, paint that on. The great thing about this is you don't need to wait for that to cure. You will then go in with your Moto spray. Now just remember, general rule of thumb, 1.8 litres of the Moto spray, that's roughly enough to treat up to 5 metres of underbody. So that's your large pickup, your 4x4s. But in the large kit, you will receive 2. So that's going to be enough to treat 2 vehicles, or a larger vehicle, say a long wheelbase or a camper, something along that size. That's going to give you plenty to be able to do that underbody. Now, to be able to do that, you'll also receive one of our spray kits. Nice and easy, all attached together very simply. That attaches into your spray head, straight into your container, and you're ready to go to use your spray. You will also receive in there your instructions and troubleshooting guide, and your window sticker. Fantastic way to remind yourself when you're due your annual top up, so you can ensure you have that continuous level of protection on your vehicle.